back to our new topic, that's message writing. It's for class 6, 7th and 8th. Well, dear students, first of all, I will give you the definition of message writing of a message. What's a message? Then I will give you the tips of message writing. Then we have to discuss the format of message writing, which is asked in your examinations. First of all, let's see the definition of message. What is a message? Message is a short piece of writing, or information that you want to give when you cannot speak to the person directly. Okay? मैसेज वो इंफॉर्मेशन होती है जो हम तब किसी को देना चाहते हैं, तब हम किसी के लिए रखना चाहते हैं जब हम डायरेक्टली उसके साथ, दूसरे इंसान के साथ बात नहीं कर पाते हैं. ओके, सो मैसेज राइटिंग, इट कैन बी oral or written. मैसेज कैन बी oral or written. Oral or written. For example, अगर आप स्कूल में होते हो और आपकी माँ आपके लिए कोई मैसेज रखना चाहती है और उसकी आपसे बात नहीं हो पाती है, तो वो क्या करती है, वो घर पे लिख के आपके लिए मैसेज छोड़ के जाती है, और आप ताकि आप स्कूल से वापस आके उस मैसेज को पढ़ सको, उस मैसेज को देख सको. वो ही होता है मैसेज. इन मैसेज राइटिंग इन्वॉल्व्स 3 persons. वही होता है जब हम डायरेक्टली किसी इंसान के साथ बात नहीं कर पाते हैं तो हमें मैसेज की जरूरत पड़ती है, तो हम उसके लिए कोई मैसेज छोड़ जाते हैं. So I will give you some tips of message writing. What we have to keep in mind while writing a message. What points are they? What things are they? Which we have to remember. First of all, in message writing too, like notes writing, diary entry, extra dialogue writing, we have to use a simple language. Use simple language. इसमें भी हमें सिंपल लैंग्वेज का यूज करना है. नेक्स्ट इज avoid long sentences. ज़्यादा लॉन्ग सेंटेंस की यूज करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है हमें. यूज sentences which are short and crisp sentences. Do not exceed 50 words. So keep word limit in mind while writing a message. Next is enclose the message in a box. Okay, next important point is double check. Double check the grammatical accuracy and spelling. Double check the grammatical accuracy and spelling because they carry marks. You have to check your piece of writing before writing it. Next important point is, we have written that here, keep the message in a box. These are some tips, some points which you have to remember while writing a message. Now let us see the format of a message writing. For message writing, we do have a proper format which you need in your examinations. Format of message writing. Format of message. Okay. First of all, you have to draw a line here, here, and here. Then write the heading in the middle of the page. Heading message. It should be written in capital or bold. It's written in the middle of the page to attract the attention of the reader. Then, on the left side, hand side of the page, we write date. It should be written in expanded form like 12 May 2020. Not like 12/3. Next is time. Time, it should be written on either side of the page, both sides of the page, but preferably it is written on the right side. Time. It's written on the right side to show the wise usage of the page. Now then, we write the salutation. Before writing the main content, the body of the message, it's important to address the person whom you are writing the message. Salutation like Mr. R, Mrs. A, B, C. Then here this space is for body. Write body here. Write all relevant information. Mention. Do not add extra information. And next point is write it in indirect speech. Okay, because this is the main content of the body, you have to write all the relevant information and you have not to add any extra information to it, and it should be written on indirect speech. Next is the sender. Write your name here on the left side of the page like X, Y, Z, Then you had to enclose the box. It's must to keep the message in the box. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.